But we should probably talk about the SPY just for a second as we get into the next name. But you see what's going on right here? See how you're popping over? This was a much better close than we started with today. You had a lot of these dojis and you were pushing. To me, it did not look great off the open. You kind of just like were hanging out there. I'm not overly convinced on this, and it is solid, and I've been pretty bullish. My concern is that I didn't really see that big, long green bar. I have this short bar and PPIs tomorrow. Now, PPI is the producer price index. The producer price index, of course, is important. You can see how you're through the cloud, just like you were last time up here. I'll link that cloud video at the end so you can understand how to use it. Why am I spending time on this before I get to the next name? Because I wanted to see a really big push, and I didn't really get my really big push. I didn't even get average daily volume for the past 20 days. So on a CPI number that was really, really solid, I didn't get that This market has had a real strong way of triggering to get us in and then rejecting. So, and I'm not saying that that's going to happen, but I would rather wait for a higher high in confirmation. The time to add was a little bit earlier. We added to some names in the trading room yesterday, a little LABU, a little Tesla. We're just fortunate today with the Tesla news, frankly, that Elon's done selling. But the other names that we're in, I think if you don't get the newsletter, there's a free version below, link in description. There's like 15 names that we're long right now that are in there. So, this is when you sell into that, when everybody else is buying, right? So if you like this clip, click on the left to watch another one, or if you want to see the entire video, click on the right.